Basically, we help manufacturers and people in industry and businesses through the minefield of certification, whether they're looking for management system certification, occupational health and safety, environmental, product certification, and also how do they go about obtaining standards, what are the legislative requirements that they must comply with. So we provide them a whole package right through the whole aspects of ensuring that what they provide to their clients, what they provide to their own staff is managed in an effective way, a controlled way, and meets all of the legal standards and legislative requirements. One of the key areas is certainly product certification. There are thousands of different types of products in the marketplace in Australia, whether it be health and safety products such as personal protective equipment, electrical products, all of our electrical safety, our gas products that we have every day that we use for gas appliances, our barbecues, our gas bottles. Also we have all of our plumbing products. Everything that we use from our drinking water containers to our wastewater treatment systems. We provide all of the certification services. We provide all of the auditing and ensuring that products are compliant to the requirements of the standards before they come into Australia and before we use them. We also provide ISO 9001, which is our quality management systems to help companies develop good management systems and reproducibility within their business. We provide the safe working environment for not only the workplace for our workers through the Occupational Health and Safety Act regulations, but also for visitors who come onto sites. And particularly we look at providing the services for environmental safety. So to make sure that businesses are doing the right thing by the environment, that we're looking after our environment and Australia. And so we provide all of those services to assist not only the population, but everyone living here to have a safe and well-being workplace. The biggest difference between product certification and, for instance, ISO 9001 management certification, which a lot of people have, is that we actually go right down to the factory manufacturing place, and we look right down onto the production lines as to how the factory is manufacturing the product, how they're controlling the reproducibility of the manufacturing, how they're ensuring that what they make for that product today and tomorrow and next week is actually exactly the same product. How are they controlling all the raw materials that come in from their suppliers? Are they checking that before it goes into production so that at the end of the day what you buy this year and what you buy next year is identically the same, and it's not going to be something that's going to fail or not comply. Basically, the moment you make contact with us, we'll assign a client manager to you. And literally that client manager helps you through the whole process. Many companies have got no idea where they even start, what standards they've got to comply with, what regulations, how do they step through the process. So we work with you, we work with the manufacturers or the people who want to become certified and guide them through every step of the process. So we help them with the forms, we help them with the documentation, we help give them that guidance, we help them through the auditing processes, we help them giving them advice about training, what training they may need to be compliant, what other programs they may need to be complied with. So we provide as a service absolutely every aspect of what they need to do, so at the end of the day they can walk out and providing that they do comply with the requirements, we can issue them then certification. But then it doesn't stop there. Our people provide that ongoing support whenever the clients need it. And every year we come back, and every year we go back through the process again. So we reassess, we re-evaluate, and we ensure that whatever's the latest new updates of standards to ensure that they're still maintaining compliance. So we develop a long-term relationship and a long-term partnership with all of our clients for certification. Well, our technical and standard support to some degree is an add-on to our overall support, but our technical support is we have the experts in the industries. Depending on what standards you want to have knowledge in, what area of certification you want to obtain, we've got a team of people. We've got people based in 23 countries around the world. We're a global company. We have people with expertise on all aspects of all standards for certification. Whether you want to have aerospace certification, whether you want to have defence product certification, normal product certification, European standards, North American standards, standards within Asia. We've got people based in all of those aspects of global certification. They all have technical expertise and technical knowledge of those standards, so we can help you with that technical contact and that technical advice. And we also have the infrastructure through our standards online so that people can obtain the appropriate technical reference documents, the technical standards, through our standards online process, and then assist the client understanding what they then need to do. Also, we sit on numerous not only Australian standards committees, but we also have technical expertise sitting on international standards committee meetings, so that we keep up to date with all the new developments of what's happening for future standards development and where the world is going, whether it be in ISO or European standards or Australian New Zealand standards or even North American standards. We're actually there at the forefront, understanding where the technical knowledge is going for the future, and we pass that back to our clients.